Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you must be fine at home. So, children, before starting the unit test 3, let's revise all we have discussed earlier. So, we have discussed earlier about the fractions. So, let's discuss again about the fraction. So, fraction is a number which is in form of p upon q. You can say in other words, a number which is in form of numerator and denominator, which is in form of numerator upon denominator, that is called the fractions. So different kind of fraction. That is, first fraction is proper fractions. Proper fraction. If you talk about the proper fraction, so proper fraction means denominator should be greater than numerator. A fraction which have denominator greater as than numerator, that is proper fraction. It means 5 upon 8 is proper fraction because denominator is greater than numerator. And next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction is just opposite to proper fraction. Denominator should be less than numerator. Denominator should be less than numerator. So this fraction, you can say that it is improper fraction because denominator is less than numerator. Now next one is like fraction. If you talk about the like fractions, children, if you talk about the like fraction, it means like fractions, two fractions are like fraction if they have denominator same. If they have denominator same. Suppose for example 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2 are the like fraction because they have same denominator. Now next one is unlike fraction. Next one is unlike fraction. Next one is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction is just opposite to like fractions. Like fraction was what? The denominator should be same. Unlike fraction, denominator should be different. It means 4 upon 3 and 1 upon 9 are the unlike fraction because they have different denominator. Because they have different denominator. Now next one is equivalent fraction. Next one is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means if you reduce that fractions into other fractions, you will get the same. For example, if you 5 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 2. So these two fractions are equal to each other. Why? If you reduce 5 upon 10 into lowest part, you will get 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. That is why 5 upon 10 is equivalent fraction to 1 upon 2. Now next one is mixed fraction. Next one is, student, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is what? Mixed fraction is what? 2 times 3 upon 5. 2 times 3 upon 5. If you solve this mixed fraction, what you get? If you convert it into the normal fraction, so you have to 5 into 2. 5 into 2 plus 3 upon 5. So that is why 5 2s are 10 plus 3 upon 5. That is why 13 upon 5. If you convert this mixed fraction into normal fraction, this is the procedure to converting the mixed fraction into normal fraction. So we have discussed the 6 type of fraction, that is proper, improper, like, unlike, equivalent and mixed fraction. So after that we will discuss about the addition of fractions. Four type the fraction can be solved by the 4 types. First one, addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction and division of fraction. First one is addition of fraction. How we add two fractions. Addition of fraction. How we add two fractions. Addition of fraction. If you add 1 upon 2 to 1 upon 3. So your always aim should be that always do the denominator should be same. If you want to do the denominator same, so you have to multiply by 3 to up and down, and you have to multiply by 2 to up and down. So 3 into 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 into 2 and 3 into 2. So that is why 3 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6 denominators are same. That is why we can write 6, 3 plus 2 and 5. So this is the 5 upon 6. This is the procedure of addition of fraction. If you want to add two fraction, you have to do the denominator should be same. Now next one is subtraction of fraction. Next one is subtraction of, this was the addition of fraction. Next one is subtraction of fraction. Subtraction of fraction. How we will subtract the fraction? Suppose same as the addition, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. If you want to subtract one fraction from the another fraction, that is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, same procedure you have to do, denominator should be same. So you have to do 3, you have to multiply by 3 to up and down, you have to multiply by 2 up and down. So 3 into 1 upon 2 into 3 into 1 upon 2 into 3 minus 1 into 2 upon 3 into 2. So that is why 3 upon 6 minus 2 upon 6. So that will be 1 upon 6. This is the addition of subtraction and subtraction of fraction. Now next one is multiplication of fraction. Next one is multiplication of fraction. Dear, next one is multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction. So multiplication of fraction, if you want to multiply one fraction to another fraction, so 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3, it means multiply by, if you want to multiply, so multiply up number to up number, that is 1 into 1, and down number to down number, 2 into 3. So that will be 1 upon 1 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6. This is the procedure of multiplication of fraction. Now last one is division of fraction. Division of fraction. Division of fraction is division of fraction. If you divide 1 upon 2, divide by 1 upon 3. So what you will do? You have to do 1 upon, you have to do what you have to do? So you have to do 1 upon 2 and it convert a reciprocal of 1 upon 3, that is 3 upon 1. But here should be the multiplication sign. इसका मतलब है अगर आप 1 upon 2 divide by 1 upon 3 करते हो तो पहले 1 upon 2 लिखो और 1 upon 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 3 upon 1 लिखो, बट द साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, वो डिवीजन से मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा. क्यों? जब आपने इसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखा तो ये डिवीजन से मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा एंड ये हो जाएगा 3 1 जा 3. सो 3 1 जा 3 और 2 1 जा 2. दिस इज द प्रोसीजर, सिंपल प्रोसीजर ऑफ डिवीजन. एक बार फिर से बता रहा हूं, 1 upon 2 डिवाइड बाय 1 upon 3, तो 1 upon 2 लिखो और इसका 1 upon 3 का रेसिप्रोकल 3 upon 1, तो डिवीजन साइन चेंज होकर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. और आपने सीखा ही है कि कैसे दो फ्रैक्शंस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. अप मल्टीप्लाई बाय अप, डाउन मल्टीप्लाई बाय डाउन, 3 1 जा 3 and 3 2 जा 6. This is the procedure of division. So student, this was all format of fractions. Try to solve all the questions regarding fraction. We'll meet in the next video with the new topic. Thank you.